Steven with Parts Doctor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the door gasket in the Samsung dryer. The tools needed are listed in the description below. Let's get started. If the gasket rips or cracks, it may cause the dryer to not heat properly. Also, lint may escape from the dryer. With the door open, start by removing these two screws. Then, firmly grasp the door and lift up and out to remove. With the door assembly resting on a soft surface, first open the hinge, then remove these 5 screws. Then, set aside the lever latch. Next, fold the hinge in and using a flat blade screwdriver, insert it near the hinge between the outer cover and the inside cover to pry to release the tabs. Continue to work around until all the locking tabs are released. Be careful not to crack the plastic, and this may be difficult. Next, gently peel the gasket off of the inner door panel. If you have a bad door gasket and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave the link in the description below. You want to make sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your dryer to make sure you get the correct part. With the inner door panel in this orientation and the gasket facing this direction, simply peel the gasket back and slide on to the inner door panel. Continue working the gasket all the way around until it is seated properly. Once the gasket is on, firmly press all the way around once more just to make sure that it is on properly. With the door assembly resting on the soft surface, locate the 2 notches in the smooth area where the hinges should be located. If oriented properly, the door handle should also align. Now, firmly squeeze the 2 pieces until they snap and lock back together. Next, reinstall the 3 screws to attach the inner panel to the door assembly. Then, align the tab on the door latch to the notch on the inner door panel, set the latch in place, and reinstall the 2 screws. With the hinge swung outward, we'll first need to start by aligning this screw with this opening and set the door in place. Then, reinstall the 2 screws. With everything put back together, plug the dryer in, test it out, make sure everything's working properly. So that's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things, please consider subscribing.